Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me a couple hours ago wanting to know not so much how to put paragraph text into a container, but she was talking about the ghost. So whenever you have a paragraph text, you can right click your mouse and hold it down and it'll turn into like a bullseye. Let go and you can place text inside. Now this is what she's complaining about. This ghost is not there. You can't click on it. The shortcut to fix that is Control W, but that's putting two keys on the key or two fingers on the keyboard. I used to all the time just double click on the slider bar, get rid of it. But what I find myself doing more often now, especially when I'm working on something like this, is I just hit the F4 key and zoom in on my item and to see how it looks anyway. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.